Dear students, as you are seeing, tools and weapons, in order to protect themselves and to make their lives easier, the Paleolithic humans made simple and crude stone tools weapon, axe head, hammers and choppers. As I told, okay, again, discovery of fire. Whenever the archaeologists have found remnants of the early human shelters, evidence of ash have also been found. By this, we come to know that early man had learned the use of fire. Fire was used to cook raw food, protect them from wild animals, and also for warmth and light. For these three things, man, using this, fire. Again here, the invention of the wheel. The early human, after fire, he think of to invent wheel. The invention of wheel is believed to be the most important and the revolutionary invention in the history of mankind, as we are seeing in today. Without wheel, life is not possible. Life is not like a speed as we are seeing. You see, so that's why we can say in the human history, wheel is the most revolutionary invention. Think of the various ways in which we use the wheel in our day-to-day lives. The invention of the wheel made transport faster and easier for man, and also brought about a major changes in his way of living. What other revolutionary changes were possible in the man's life because of the invention of the wheel? As we sing, how the if in a mighty aeroplane without wheels, it is very difficult to landing or taking off. Though it's moving in the air like this, most of the industries wheel like instruments is using. The wheel is the, I can say, wheel is the most important invention of the humankind. Again here, next thing is cattle rearing. The hunter gatherer primitive man must have started rearing and domesticating animals by the Middle Stone Age. After the invention of the wheel, man used animals for different forms of transport. This is evident from the cave paintings. Here we see a cave painting found in Bhimbetka. We have seen that tools made from stone were very useful for human life. As a result, man discovered places where he could get good stones. He preferred to live in places where he felt safe and could live there for a long time to make tools. These places were known as workshop or factory sites for primitive man. Archaeologists have found big pieces of stones and also some unfinished tools from these sites. Such sites are workshops, as we can say, were mostly found on the banks of the rivers and caves. There's human lives as their, we can say, shelter, or there where they resides. Near where mostly they make this type of tools here, banks of rivers and caves. Paintings of wild animals have been found on the walls of the caves excavated in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh.